how to log into the Instacart application. If you want to log into Instacart app, it is actually quite very simple. Go ahead and then make sure to launch the Instacart app, and this is the type of interface that you will see. From the bottom you can see two options: to log in or sign up. If you have not yet created an account on Instacart, of course you can tap on the sign up button, follow the on-screen instructions to create your account. Assuming you already have an account and you want to log in, you can tap on the login option. There are many ways to log in. You can choose to log in with your email address and then tap on continue and enter your password, or you can choose to log in with your phone number, tap on continue, verify and choose your password to log in. Or if you have linked your Instacart account with Facebook or Google account, you can also choose to continue with those. So in my case, I have linked with my Google. I can tap on continue with the Google option right here. Then I can select my Google ID from here and it will successfully log me in to the Instacart application. So I hope that this video helped you out as to how you can log into Instacart. I hope that the video helped you as well. If you have any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.